Welcome back to our channel!
Yay! I'm May.
I'm Siska.
We are
Messes! So,
we're going to go to IKEA. Guys, so now we're here in IKEA. Okay, FYI, IKEA was founded in Sweden in 1943, and it was founded by a 17 years old carpenters, Ingrid Kamprad or Kamprad, I don't know, but
many of you have been wondering actually what does IKEA stand for. Actually, IKEA is an acronym. I and K stands for its founder's name, and E is for Empire, which is his farm which he grew up to, and finally A is for Agunyard, which is his hometown.
So let's just stroll around the IKEA.
Go, go, go!
Let's go.
Oh, do you know that IKEA is actually the world's largest furniture retailer since 2008? And as in November 2008, there are 424 retailers around the world, or I must say 52 different countries.
Finally, IKEA has opened its store in Indonesia, first store in Indonesia at 15 October in 2014, which is located in here in Tangerang, Alam Sutera, Greater Jakarta. Hey guys, here IKEA provide us notes and a pencil to write something that we want to buy or the price tag. If we cannot decide yet what we want to buy, we can come back later with this note.
So don't forget to take this, guys, and also this one. It's almost available in many places around here.
And you can take all the pencils as much as you want.
Here you will find inspiration from over 55 smart room set solutions and 3 complete homes, all in 2 levels 10 alone store.
Offering 35,000 square meters, including a 700-seat restaurant and over 1,000 parking spaces.
This is the dining area, which you can find like dining utensils and also some furnitures for dining rooms.
I'm Chef May.
This is the basement floor, or I must say the first floor? No, basement floor of IKEA, which you can find retail stuff here.
Cheers!
So guys, we have arrived in the famous photo spot of IKEA.
Yes, a lot of people take photo in here.
And so this is actually the storage room of IKEA, but a lot of people seems to be interested here.
Yes, they usually take a photo in here. It's trolley. Yeah.
Guys, tip for you, so if you want to buy something cheaper than usually is, actually there's a section of as is in IKEA, which you can see on your right before checkout. This is the place as is.
So guys, this is the cashier.
You can check out the items you buy here, and IKEA is absolutely plastic free, so make sure you bring your own bag.
You need to buy bags.
Yep. Yeah, like this one. Here we can buy food, and this is like called the IKEA Bistro, where you can buy like hot dogs or french fries and soft drinks and ice creams too.
Okay, so now we're here to eat. Oops. Yay. We can have meatball in here.
So meatballs, Swedish meatballs is actually the signature dish of IKEA, and everyone was craving for these meatballs a lot when it first opened in 2004.
I guess from Swedish, so they have this flag here.
Yep.
They put
Swedish
it.
meatballs.
Yes.
So we're going to eat now.
Guys, so while you're eating here, you can see the view right beside here. Guys, after you done eating, you put again on a tray, and then you put the dirty dishes on this tray right here. Oh yeah, you can also refill your drink. So if you still want to drink, you can take again your glass and refill it with the soda.
So after our closing part today vlog,
Okay, enjoy our vlog.
like, comment, and subscribe.